and adds a little bit of something on it. So I will do really thin coat, really thin. Give it a little bit of bond for that. And I will add glitter on it. One of touch of colors. I will feel like if you have set of touch of color is fulfill of a lot of things. I play so many with this and the client is so happy and it's so satisfying. And I like to just use it loose instead of mix it in. And sometimes I do mix it in as well. But I do it like this so then I can control my loose glitter better. I can let it lay flat for me. So the flatter it is, the better. So then that way,
yes,
your glitter.
And everyone, yeah. So if you guys see I kind of fluctuating, if there's a lot of thing happen, maybe the quality drop, do let me know so I can address it right away. Yeah.
It looks really bad on Instagram though.
Hold on.
Oh, hey Chi-Chang, how are you? Okay, so now I am gonna pick up, maybe I should do.
Yeah, it's flickering. So alright, it's gonna stop for a second. It'll be really nice. We'll be right back. There we go.
What did you do?
No, just quick change. So shouldn't miss anything.
I just pick up a little bit of white.
Yep, so everybody let me know if that look better.
Just a little bit white and dip it in a blue on the next beat. And I give it a swirl. Don't know afraid of you're gonna do it the wrong. There's no way, no other ways is the right way or wrong way because marbling, you don't see 10 nails at the same look. And the nails that I did it earlier, I'm using a clear and red and a clear and blue, and then this nails I want to show you different with the kind of a soft white, and so it's give you a little bit look. So you dip it in of the white and then on the red, give it a swirl. I try to make it really easy for beginners, or any of you that is really start playing with the marbling. And make sure you get the ratio a little bit wet. So then that way you can draw the marbling. Just pick a smaller bead so easy for you to control it. The smaller beads is better.
Almost like Galaxy now.
And then if you're doing the next one, the next nails just might not exact the same. So if you feel like you'll get a hard time with marbling, play with this. 10 of them, they're probably not gonna be the same. But at first, I'm not gonna lie to you. At first, when I'm doing a marbling, I'm really scared of it too because I don't know if I'm gonna able to doing it looks perfect. You just have to give it a little bit try and then practice on it.
That came out real nice though.
So, and I'm gonna add just some glitter. So you're gonna see later, it's get a little bit of the reflections underneath. And then just tap a little bit, just a little bit, just a touch, and pick up some of them. You don't need a whole lot. Oops, sorry. On the background a little bit. Let me see if we can pick up some of this. Clean my brush really well.
Yeah, I agree, Foxy. It looked like cosmic, and now she has some stars, so like a starry sky. if somehow your star sky night have red, white, and blue on it. But it looks super cool.
Somehow I didn't get the smaller star though. My beads, stay with me. What does it look like?
Hmm?
What did it look like?
Yeah, like cosmic.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, it looked like a really fancy, nice sky.
You can add more beads on it. Do you prefer? I think it looks super cute. And then you can also do this in gold, silver. I have it just happened that I have a rose gold right here. Just add it on.
Interesting. So nothing on top? Or
I'm just gonna cap the clear on the top. Let me see, I'm gonna add some of the glitter here. Okay, now we are going to cap. If you're happy with this, we're gonna cap this one clear. Make sure is, if you want, you can do it 2 beads. Just getting this one. I tilt the nails down a little bit. And use the belly of it. So here there's some tip and trick and messages for beginners, or you start doing some fun designs with your liquid and powder. If you're using like liquid and powder and you feel like it's nowadays with a lot of trendy nails, if you need to get more than 1 bead, just don't feel bad that you're doing it. It doesn't have to be necessarily perfect 1 bead or 2 beads. It can be more than that if you need to work on a smaller part of the nails design. So sometimes
My bad, my tummy's growling a bit. Probably we get some kind of late night food after this.
your belly. I want video dinner. I said after the live video, you don't work, you don't get to eat. Just kidding. And then
But I guess my tummy.
okay, I think I cap it's good. So okay, so let it set.
Come on, ready?
Yep, it looks really good.
Yep. Life is gonna feed you. Life is gonna get you food. The nail feet.
Let's see, I will